User interface. This video performs how to start ventilation and the basic operations on the screen. You are now seeing the standby screen of Biyovent. Biyovent offers users an interface that is easy to apply and learn. It basically consists of 7 different parts. We will explain them in the order of ventilation settings. First, you can see the current status of the patient from the New Patient Information section. Then, enter the weight and height as shown. You see on the ventilation screen. Then, you can choose the ventilation type deemed appropriate for the patient from the Ventilation Information section just below. Biyovent provides users with all types of ventilation. These are non-invasive, invasive, and CPAP, HFO. We will explain these videos using invasive mode. You can make the settings of other ventilation types similarly. By pressing the Tubing Settings tab, you must enter the length and thickness of the patient circuit you use for the patient. In addition, if you are going to connect the humidifier, nebulizer, water trap, and bacteria filters, you should make the entries indicating that you are using here. Then, press the Return to Ventilation Settings tab. Before proceeding to mode settings, make sure that the calibrations are completed by pressing the device tests. 3. You can select the mode you deem appropriate for the patient from the screen that operates by pressing the mode settings. Bioventilation basically works with 3 types of modes: pressure-controlled modes, volume-control modes, spontaneous modes. 4. After selecting the appropriate mode, you can make the parameter values you want to adjust here. Parameters valid for each mode will appear in circles after turning on the mode. When you press on any parameter, you should enter the value you want from the next column and press the Confirm button. After entering all the values you want, press the Apply button. 5. Make the detailed modes and alarm limits under the mode settings. These features will be explained in detail in other videos. If you are using spontaneous mode, you must make the apnea support settings before starting ventilation. 6. After making sure that you have made all the settings, press the Start Ventilation button to start ventilation. When ventilation begins, you can see alarm alerts on the main screen. In the first 4 breaths, the Biyovent tries to fit the values you entered. These warnings are symbolized in red. The reasons for the warnings are caused by the values returned from the patient exceeding the alarm value you entered. The black bar on top shows the data measured for the patient. Bioventure shows more than 30 parameters simultaneously. To enlarge or restore this screen, simply touch the top. You can also use the lung diagram to follow patient information. You can open and close this diagram from the bottom left panes. You must press the Stop button to instantly review patient data or graphics. Ventilation will continue even if you stop the screen.